In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel subscription in Google One. We will walk through every click slowly so you can follow along without guessing what to do next. First, open your browser and search for Google One. In the address bar or search box, type the words Google One, then press Enter. You should see search results with the official Google One page near the top. The correct result usually shows a short description about storage for Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. If you see that description, you know you are looking at the right page before you move on. Once you see the search results, click the correct Google One link and wait for the page to load. On the Google One homepage, look to the top right corner and click Sign In. If you have more than one Google account, the screen may list several options here. Make sure you choose the same account that is actually paying for the Google One subscription so you cancel the right one. After signing in, the page will refresh to show your Google One dashboard, usually with your current storage usage and plan near the top. Now that you are signed in, look for the Settings gear icon on the screen and click it. This gear is usually near the top right area of the Google One interface. When you click it, a settings page or panel opens with different sections such as membership details, storage, and other options. This is where Google puts all the controls related to your subscription. A beginner tip here, changes you make in this area usually apply to your account immediately. You do not need to hunt for a separate save button. Next up, find and click Cancel Membership. This option is typically listed in the membership or subscription section of the settings page, close to where your current plan and billing information are shown. Take a moment to read any short text around it, since Google may mention what happens to your storage and when the cancellation takes effect. When you click Cancel Membership, a confirmation window or message appears on the screen, asking you to confirm that you really want to cancel your Google One subscription. With that confirmation window open, click Cancel Membership once more to confirm your choice. This second click tells Google that you genuinely want to cancel and are not tapping the button by mistake. After you confirm, the window closes and you should see a message indicating that your membership will be canceled, often showing the date when your current billing period ends. Your storage plan usually stays active until that date, but no new payments will be charged after cancellation. You can also return to the main Google One page and see that your plan status has changed, which confirms that the cancellation went through. You have now fully canceled your Google One subscription from your browser, using only the built-in account settings. If this walkthrough helped you stop paying for extra storage, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple guides like this.